I'm on screen. Now the screen will be sharing for you. Now it will be starting. Okay. As I told, file, import, and clicking on this. After that, we are going to work on the images also you can work, okay. But while we work on images means we should check once the image is in PNG format because if it's like JPEG format means it will not be working well, okay. Okay. Now if you see means we are selecting this PNG file, like any image you can choose. Okay. Now PNG means, as you know, without the background. Without the background, we are importing this. After import, it directly does not come into this composition here. It will be in this panel. This panel we call it as project panel. This project panel, this is the effect controls panel. If you are adding some effects means here you can click this effect controls panel and you can work. Currently we didn't add any effect, so it's looking empty. So project panel, we are clicking once. Okay. After clicking, left click this, and we are going to put in this panel. This panel, if you put means, this name is PNG egg.png. This is the name is that. So PNG egg. This name will be renamed to this composition. Okay. No need to confuse about these things. For the knowledge purpose, I can say this. Okay. Now, initially, we have placed one image. Okay. Now, in graphic design, like you see, means this will be considering as the artboard. In video editing, inside the After Effects we see means this we call it as composition. In Premiere Pro, while you go, the same concept only, we call it as sequence. In After Effects composition, Premiere Pro sequence. Now this is the composition size. Okay, if we didn't give the exact size means what size is the images. Okay, according that image, it automatically creates that composition. Okay. Now, if you want to edit this means usually we use After Effects for motion. Okay, for moving the objects, for moving the text. Okay, and color correction for video also can apply in the After Effects. Okay. Now to edit this, what we have to do, this panel is there. In this panel, arrow is there, you expand this arrow, click on this transform. After you click on this transform, that day we saw how to adjust the position and everything. Okay. Then scale option is there. Scale is for resizing the image. Now the image is in 100%. 100% means the original size. Whatever size the image is, that is the original size it shows up for us. Okay. Now what we can do, we are going to reduce the size. 100% they are going to reduce the size. But another way is also there to reduce the size. You can go to selection tool and click and make it less like this. But if you make it less means all sides will not be equal. At the time you should hold the shift and you should make it less. But for professional use, we only adjust this value. To adjust this value, click on this. If you just hover here means double arrow will be coming towards left side and towards right side. Towards right side means increasing the size, towards left side means decreasing the size. Okay. Like this we can do. And if you want to add like a motion like this from here, it will be coming, it should be going, should be rotating, means that also we can see. Okay, that day we were seeing like from outside, one image or text will be coming and entering inside. Towards right side, it will be moving. Okay, today what we can see from outside, it will be coming, it will be rotating. It will be rotating from outside. After that, it will be going that side. Okay, so now what we can do now, we are placing this image here. Little bit I'm increasing the size, scaling. Okay. Now I have scaled. Okay. Wherever you want, you can keep the image. Okay. Now, what is my idea is from outside it should be coming, inside it should be entering. After that, this right side it should go out. Okay, this image. For that, what I have to do, once click on this layer. Okay, click on this layer, expand this transform. For moving, what we should adjust is position value, we should be adjusting. Okay, position value we should be adjusting. So this position and rotation we have to be adjusting. Okay, now in this position and rotation means this is the timeline. Okay, this is the timeline. This time head we are going to be adjusting. This time head in the initial state, if you see means The timing is 0 seconds, 0 minutes, okay. 0 hours, 0 minutes, 0 seconds is there. Now, if you keep on moving means the timing will be changing here. Now it's like 3 seconds. Now, when it's 0 means the image should be from outside. Outside means this position I'm going to adjust towards left side, this value. Okay. This value I'm adjusting. Now I kept it outside. Okay. From outside, it should be coming. So just like that, if I didn't click this timer icon, means that keyframe will not be created. Once the keyframe is created, only we can add the motion. So once you click on this position icon, okay, this position, this keyframe icon, if you click means now a keyframe is formed here, a blue color, white blue color is formed here. Okay. Now what we can do? Now rotation. In the initial state itself, it will be rotating and it will be coming inside and exiting this side. Okay. So rotation also, that keyframe we are clicking once. Okay. That timer icon we are clicking once. After clicking, we are, if you press a space bar means the video will be running for you. Okay. The video is running for you. Now, if you will see, the video length is more. More means if you push it towards this right side means till 2 minutes the video is there. If you don't want till 2 minutes, if you want to reduce the duration means what you can do, this rectangle is there. This rectangle, two sliders, multiple sliders are there for you. This slider is there. This slider, if you come to this last end means work area end, it will be showing for you. You just arrow key will be coming, left click and drag it towards here. Towards here means keep this time head here. Now it's like 21 seconds. Still 21 seconds it will be running. If you don't want 21 seconds, I just want 10 seconds means now I keeping 10. Okay. Now I'm closing till 10 seconds means it will be coming like this. Or else this rectangular portion is there. This rectangular portion, we adjust here means it will not be working properly. It will not be working properly means this work area is there. If the work area is this much means now the timing for the total video timing is 2 minutes 9 seconds. So that this video length, okay, this is for the video length means whatever image or text or video you're keeping, that length is this, okay. But this is the file length, total file length. So till this, the video will be showing up, okay. After this, whatever image or text, whatever you're keeping, it will not be showing up because it is empty space, okay. So that instead of adjusting this one, we should be adjusting this one for the length. Okay. Now till 10 seconds, I'm keeping it. Now I can check. Okay, 9 seconds, 10 seconds. Okay. Now it's good. Now I'm coming to starting. As we saw, for position and rotation, that initial keyframes we have been fitting. Now we can press the space bar. Little bit the video is running. This red color line is there. Now I'm pressing the space bar here. When it reaches this position, it's 3 seconds. 3 seconds, the image should be inside the composition. Okay. So what I have to do, I have to adjust the position and rotation value only. Because why? Because the image position changes, the place of the image changes, and the image should be rotating. Okay. So rotating means the position a little bit inside and moving towards right side. There are two values for the position. This first value if you see means by sides it will be moving. Second value if you adjust means it will be moving top and bottom. Okay. So by sides I'm moving like this. Okay. Now I'm moving like this means one keyframe has been created for us. Okay. After creating this keyframe, after it creates now plane, it will be moving from here to here around. It will not be rotating. Okay. It will not be rotating because the initial keyframe only we have been added the value 0, 0. Okay. Now we should be adjusting the rotation value. What value we can adjust? This 0 is there plus 0.0 is there. Okay. Now this 0.0 I'm adjusting like this. You can see it's beyond rotating. Keep on rotating like this. Okay. Now, okay, till this it can be rotating. After this, what I have to do, again, space bar. Little bit the video will be running for you and press the space bar here. When it reaches this time, this point of time, now it should be going outside. Going outside this value I'm adjusting. Okay. When it goes outside, now if you see means another keyframe it has been created. Okay. Now after it creates, now little bit I'm rotating here. If I didn't rotate here means now till this only we have been created this keyframe for rotations. So then it will be static. Then it will become static. It will not be rotating while it goes out. So again we should change the rotation this value. This 215 this value is there. Now this value you can change. Okay. Now if you play means it will be rotating and going out. Okay. Now, whatever animation you do, the keyframes will be in this like polygon shape. Okay. This polygon shape, if it's there, means sometimes the video will be smooth, sometimes it will not be more smooth. So we have to make the video more smooth means what we have to do. You just verify it's in the selection tool. Come here. Okay. Just like the drag. In Photoshop and Illustrator, many shapes will be there. You'll be dragging like this. So drag like this. After you drag like this, okay, press the F9. Press the F9 means now the shape will be changing like this, like a timer. Okay. Now, if you move to this, press the space bar. Now it will be running like this. Okay. Now in this video, if you see means it's spinning and coming here. Now it's static. Again, it's spinning. It's static, again it's spinning. Okay, why it's becoming static? Because now when it reaches this point of time, till this we have given like this rotation value. Okay, again we have changed the rotation value. So it becomes static and it goes out. So from starting till ending, the flower should not be static. It should be moving on. Then the rotation also should be there. I don't want the gap for the rotation. I don't want the pause for the rotation. Means what I have to do, in the middle, one keyframe is there. Okay. In the middle, for rotation, I should not be creating another keyframe. This is the starting when the image is outside. The image is entering here. After it enters here, it is exiting outside. So in the beginning stage, the rotation will be 0. In the ending stage, the rotation value I should adjust. I should not adjust the rotation value in between. Okay. In between, I should not adjust the rotation value. Okay, now if you by mistake, if you have adjusted the rotation value means one solution is there, what we can do, click on this specific keyframe, backspace, it will be deleted. Now you press the space bar and play the video. Now if you see means the flower is rotating, it is entering the frame. After that, it is little bit static, a little bit standing inside the frame. After that, it's exiting. Okay, but the flower is still rotating. And you want like now I don't want the flower to be standing in the middle. Okay, it needs to be rotating and it should be coming inside and it should be exiting. Means in the middle, no need to create another keyframe. Okay, but if you create it, select that keyframe, hit the backspace. Now you play the video. If you see, it will be playing continuously. Okay, this is the trick. Okay, like whatever animation you want in this, we should be adjusting in the position. Okay, if you feel like the position is feeling very difficult for me, but basic is position. Okay, position, how to adjust the position, how the position works, like that we can see. Okay, in further classes we can see like we can draw a line, we can draw a path. On the path, on that exact path, the shape will be moving. But in this case, if you draw a line means directly you can't draw a straight line. Okay, but to draw this path means in the freestyle only we should be drawing path, so it will not be coming in a straight line. If you want to be coming in a straight line, top, bottom, sides means then the exact position value only we should be adjusting. Okay, now it's coming like this. Okay, it's coming like this. Afterwards, again it wants to be in this left side. Okay, it's going towards right side. Again, I want to be in the left side. Means what I can do. Now, if I play the video, it has gone inside. Okay. Now I'm extending the video time press. This slider I'm adjusting. Okay, little bit I'm extending. Now keep the time head here. It's 17 seconds. Okay. Now the flower comes in and it goes outside. Okay. After it goes outside, again I want the flower to come inside and travel towards this side means what I have to do. This position rotation value again I have to be adjusting. Okay, again I have to be adjusting means it will be like a hectic work. If it's like a single object, normal simple video means it will be easy for you. But multiple layers you are working, multiple images you are working means you'll be feeling a little bit tricky. Okay, so that what we can do. These two keyframes are there. Okay, these two keyframes you can see. This is the initial two keyframes. If you push here means it will be in this place. Okay. So what is our motto is now the image has been reached in this place. Now again I want to move to here means these two keyframes I have to copy these two keyframes and place in this specific portion. Okay. When the time video reaches is 12 seconds means this image should be outside in the left side. Okay. So what I have to do, these two keyframes only position and rotation, just drag like this. Okay. Now hit Control C for copy. Okay, copy. You should not click outside. If you click outside and Control V means it will not be pasting this place. Okay, many people will be facing this issue. They'll be hitting Control C and they'll be telling like it's not pasting that place. So drag it, Control C. Okay, Control C. Don't click outside. Don't select any other tool. The line is here. Control V. In the specific line, it will be pasting for you. Okay. Now, if you play this video, spacebar. Like this, it will be coming. Okay. Yeah. This is about the suggesting. Okay. Okay, Manashri. Till now you understand. Okay. If you have any doubts, means you can ask.
You can hear me?
Okay, Manashri. This is the thing about the image. Okay. With this image or text, like anything you can do. Okay. Okay. This is the thing, Manashri. If you have any doubts, means you can ask. Okay. In further classes, we can continue with the next things. Okay. So directly we are not importing the video inside it and we are not working here. What all motion effects are there? Currently we are working on this. Okay, text, image. After that we can proceed to the direct video, how to do color correction, those things and all. We can do with this After Effects. Okay. After completing this After Effects, we can proceed with the Premiere Pro so that it will be easy for you. But for editing the video, we can use both After Effects, we can use and Premiere Pro, we can use. But if you are going to make like multiple cuts like some movie editing and all, they'll be doing. For that, for those things and all, we are you'll be using a combination of After Effects and Premiere Pro in a combination. Okay, like in YouTube, you are going to upload some videos. Means at that case, you are not adding multiple motion effects and all. You are not adding only basic cuts I'm adding and color correction I'm doing means at that case you can use Premiere Pro alone. Okay. Premiere Pro, as I told, it's mainly used for cutting. In between you will be cutting some clips, you will be attaching some clips, you will be adding a transition. For those things and all, you can use the Premiere Pro. Okay. But for the After Effects, it's not required to add transitions. Okay. Okay, Manashri. Yeah, we'll be seeing in the next class. Okay. Bye. Okay, Manashri. Bye.